Limata, LUVIR Technology. Solder's stop masks are complex material systems consisting of a polymer matrix and fillers or color pigments. LUVIR from Limata makes use of the different absorption properties of the material components by heating the color pigments with an IR laser, which also accelerates polymerization through the combined use of a UV laser. This considerably increases the processing speed, while also ensuring a high degree of precision and flexibility. This technology is an example of optimum adaptation of the process to take account of the materials to be processed.
Limata is very happy to win the Productronica Innovations Award 2019 with his LUVIR technology. LUVIR is a combination of UV and IR, and it's especially suitable for fast digital solder mask imaging on all conventional ink types and all colors. We have successfully installed this technology at different sites worldwide, and with the one of this technology award, we are really happy to see the success also now on this trade show.